just took a little drive down from camp. Looks like we got a tree across the trail there from all the heavy wet snow. Yeah. Snow is super heavy and super wet. Oh, I'm gonna have to come down here with a chainsaw. Thankfully, I haven't gotten any of these at camp yet, but I'm gonna have to grab my chainsaw and come down here and buck that guy up. Haul him out of the road. Where did he snap off from? Is that the top of a tree? Oh, it is too. Oh, he was pretty weak. Look at that. That core is all rotted out. And that's where he broke off from. Look at this, guys. How nice is that? Beautiful, yeah. Yeah, worst thing is there's nowhere to turn around here, so I gotta back up the road to the next camp.